What I love most about the Ninja XL food processor is that it allows you to unlock unlimited possibilities with different blade and disc attachments, an XL feed chute, and unique 3-part pusher. Today, I am going to show you how to use the Ninja XL food processor to make tasty egg rolls. This recipe is one of my family's favorites, and it can be found in the inspiration guide that comes with the unit. Let's get started. First, gather your ingredients. Then install the bowl by placing it on the motor base and turning it clockwise to lock it in place. Install the disc spindle in the bowl and set the adjustable slicing disc to setting 3. To change the setting on the adjustable slicing disc, twist the dial underneath the disc clockwise to whatever setting suits the recipe best. Once the disc is installed, place the lid on the bowl and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Fill the large feed chute with the cabbage. Make sure you fill it up to the chute fill max line, and then push down the ingredients. As a safety feature, the unit will stop processing when the large pusher is removed. Once you're ready, select the disc program and using the medium pusher, guide the cabbage through the chute. Once complete, put the cabbage aside in another bowl. Now, replace the adjustable slicing disc with the shredding disc, coarse side up. Place the lid back on the unit, place the carrots in the smallest section of the feed chute, select the disc program and use the smallest pusher to guide the carrots through the chute, then place the carrots to the side. Next, heat a skillet over medium heat and add the sesame oil. When the oil is hot, add the green onions, garlic, and ginger. Cook for about 5 minutes until fragrant. And now we add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, carrots, and cabbage to the skillet, and we're gonna cook this down for about 5 minutes. While those are cooking, in a small bowl, I'm gonna add the soy sauce, rice vinegar, and cornstarch. We're gonna whisk this to combine our sauce and add this mixture to the vegetables and continue to cook until it thickens for about 5 more minutes. We're gonna remove this from the heat and set it aside to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes. We're gonna wipe down the food processor bowl clean, install the 4.5 cup nesting bowl, the spindle, and then the small chopping blade to make the dipping sauce. We're gonna place all the sauce ingredients in the work bowl, install the lid, and select high. Once the processing is complete, we're gonna set this aside. Now it's time for us to put everything together. You'll want to prepare a rolling station and prepare a cup of water in a small bowl. We're gonna place the egg roll wrapper diagonally on a clean work surface. We're gonna place 2 tablespoons of the mixture in the center and spread it evenly. Starting at the bottom, we're gonna tightly roll the edge over the filling and fold in the sides and continue to roll. We're gonna dip our fingers in the water and dab the edges to seal the wrapper closed. We're gonna repeat this with the remaining wrappers and the rest of our ingredients. Wipe the skillet clean and place it over high heat. Add 1.5 inches of oil to your pan, and when the oil reaches 325 Fahrenheit, we're gonna add our egg rolls. It's best to only cook 4 egg rolls at a time, otherwise you lower the temperature of the oil and you won't get the delicious crispiness. We're gonna cook these for 1 to 2 minutes until they're golden brown. We're gonna remove these from our skillet, place them on a paper towel lined plate and let them cool down. And now we just transfer them to our serving plate and enjoy. These are seriously so crunchy and delicious. For more recipe inspiration or information on the Ninja Professional XL food processor, visit ninjakitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.